Hello everyone, thanks for stopping by today. Thought I'd do a quick review of this pop-up pit. Portable fire pit that we bought off Amazon. I actually really like this. It's come in handy. We quickly found, we went to a couple campgrounds and they didn't allow, or they didn't have fire pits for people. They were not provided, but you could bring your own. So this is coming quite handy. Purchased off Amazon. Well built, easy to hook up. Takes like, geez, if it takes 30 seconds to put this thing together, I'd be surprised. There's videos out there that show you how to put it up. It's collapsible, so easy up, easy down. It says it holds, I think, like 50 pounds of wood at times, but I can't imagine putting 50 pounds worth of wood in there. I really don't have much negative to say about it. The only thing I would recommend is get there's a heat shield you can purchase. It's optional. I would actually recommend get that because it will kill grass, and I found that out in my backyard. I put this up in the grass in the backyard and it ended up drying out the grass underneath. And you can actually see there's some steam coming off the ground here. So it's far enough up that it does produce a lot of heat. It won't catch grass on fire, but it will dry it out and kill it. So I recommend getting the optional heat shield. Outside of that, I can't say anything negative about it. If you're in the market for a portable fire pit, the pop-up pit is definitely something to consider. I'm not an Amazon affiliate or anything, and I bought this with my own money. Not endorsed in any way, just thought I would do a quick review and put it out there. Any questions, let me know. Happy to do a demonstration of what out there is not enough. Thanks for watching.